Hello, this is AJ the Fixer, and today we got an iPad 6. Customer say that they don't charge, and he think it is problem with the charging port. So let's test it and we will see. So here's our tester. We put it here and we'll test. And what do you see? Check the flex failed. Okay, so I think it's obviously that we must change charging port. So let's do it. I will now disassemble the board and be back to you soon.
Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ha! Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ha! Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ha! Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ha! Ale, ale, ale. Ha! Ha! Miro. Ha!
Okay, so now I disassembled the board, so it looks like this, and the connection is here, so we must desolder this first, and then we try to solder new one. So let's go under microscope and inspect what it looks like here. Okay, so we must solder it here. So first step is to melt, to mix this old solder with new one, some have a lower melting point. So let's do it. So we put some flux. We take our low melt solder wire and we try to mix it. Okay, so now we are prepared to desolder this one. Maybe like this. So we just take some tweezers, hot air, for this we need some tape. To hold our board. Okay, and we will desolder now. It becomes shiny. There is magic low melt solder, and I try to lift it a little bit. Okay, just like that. Just like that. So now I will clean the parts with new solder and the solder from all solder. Low melt. Try to mix. Okay. And we clean. Okay. Now we are clean a little bit with isopropanol. Or to sobie chwilę. Super easy. Okay, next step is to apply some solder. This time we'll use mechanic 183, this one, and we tin the pads. So we take a flux. Okay, just like that. And now we need a new port. So we have one here. But first we'll clean all the flux. So we put fresh flux. Not so much. And I need that wheel. Then I need to do it hands. And we solder one by one. Okay, it's like that, very easy. So of course we must clean our flux. Okay, we are ready. So now I will put this board to the housing, and we will see on its no charging. So I'll be back soon.
Ale, ale, ale. Ha. Ha. Miro. Ha. Ale, ale, ale. Ha. Ha. Miro. Ha. Ale, ale, ale. Ha. Ha. Miro. Ha.
Welcome back. So now the board is in the housing. With new charging port, we also put some new batteries, and let's see, boom, and it's charging. So here is the icon. I can show you. One more time, disconnected, connected. So the iPad is charging. Right now I will assemble the rest of the shields and parts to the housing, seal it, and we'll give it to the customer, so another happy one. So that's all for today. If you like my video, so like and subscribe, and until next time, bye.